Out of all the shrimp in the world, I chose this one. Just like you should be choosing to subscribe to One Plate Gourmet for regular weekly content and the best ingredient recipes. Welcome back to another episode of One Plate Gourmet. Today we'll be looking at an ingredient that represents both fruit and man, i.e. the coconut. We'll need about 1 pound of shrimp raw or pre-cooked, 1 lemon, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a cup of almond flour, 2 large eggs from chickens, 3 tablespoons apricot preserves, 2 tablespoons red chili paste, ocean dried salt, black pepper, 1.5 cups of panko breadcrumbs, and 2 cups of shredded coconut flakes. The bigger the flakes, the tastier. The smaller the flakes, the less breadcrumbs you'll need to use for this recipe. Let's start with our breading station. Grab yourself 3 bowls of similar sizes, and with the power of magic, add all your ingredients like this. But if you don't have magic, mix together your almond flour, your garlic powder, your onion powder, and paprika together, like so. Next, give your eggs a little slap, and like that, nerves are gone. Make sure they're well beat like so, add some salt and pepper, and boom, move on to the next bowl with your breadcrumbs and coconut flakes. Make sure they're well mixed, and then begin your breading. Making sure your shrimp is cleaned and deveined, coat in your flour mixture followed by your eggs, and then buried in your coconut mix. Repeat this process over and over and over till you decide doing it one at a time isn't really worth it, and you start to do 2 shrimps at a time. And when you get bored with that, double your workload till all your shrimp is done, and just place them on a tray with wax paper till you're ready for your next line of work. Over medium-high heat, fill your saute pan with coconut oil till it's deep enough for the shrimp not to be submerged. Then one by one, lay your shrimp gently in the oil till it's held as much shrimp as it can hold and no more. After about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they begin to give off a golden brown exterior, flip them and cook for 3 to 5 minutes again. Once done, remove and place on a plate with a paper towel and let rest. Now before continuing with the next batch, make sure you remove all the excess coconut flakes from the oil. Now for our sauce. In a bowl, let's go ahead and add in our chili paste mixed with our apricot preserves and the squeeze of 1 whole lemon. Making sure to take out the seeds beforehand and mix them together. The consistency should look like this. Now I've heard that this dish goes really well with the ladies. I'm told that they love shrimp. I personally am not a huge fan of shrimp. Not that I'm allergic or anything, I just don't really like shellfish in general. They all have a really weird consistency to me. I don't know. Doesn't mean I can't cook them, and now you can too. There you have it. Hey guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see the trailer for this video, click up there. This video doesn't have a trailer. If you want to see more, go ahead and click over there. Just watch whatever YouTube recommends up there.